12 fun and useful animal idioms. Hello and welcome to English Speaking 360. Today you're going to learn 12 new expressions or idioms that are super useful, and they are all about animals. I know you love animals, so it's going to be very, very good. And don't forget to take the final quiz because it will show you if you really understand the new expressions. Let's get started. The black sheep of the family. Yeah, I'm different, so what? The black sheep of the family is a great expression, but I want you to try to guess the meaning of the expression with this example. My parents are both doctors, but I decided to become an artist. I'm definitely the black sheep of the family. What do you think the expression means? It means someone who is different or someone who doesn't really fit in. So the black sheep of the family, so the person is not a white sheep like all the other sheep in the family. That one is black. So it's a little bit different. It's a little bit strange. It doesn't quite fit in. So that's why at the beginning I showed you this and I said, yeah, I'm different, so what? So remember this image right here and you're going to be able to remember the meaning of the expression. Let's go with another expression. To be like a dog with a bone. This bone is mine. I will not give it up. Here's an example. Why are you still trying to fix that old car? I can't help it. Once I start, I'm like a dog with a bone. It's been months. Maybe it's time to let it go. Like a dog with a bone means what? Think about it. The guy doesn't want to stop fixing his old car because he already started and he doesn't want to give up. So like a dog with a bone is someone who is relentless, someone who is very stubborn, someone who will not give up. So have this picture in your mind. If you give a bone to a dog, the dog will never let go. The dog will love that bone forever and you cannot take it away. So remember this image. Don't put the cart before the horse. What are you doing? That's the wrong way. The cart goes behind me, not in front of me. Ah, that's much better. Don't put the cart before the horse. I'm going shopping for tables and chairs for our new restaurant. But we haven't found a location yet. Don't put the cart before the horse. What do you think it means? This expression means don't do things out of order. First things first. So you have to do what is supposed to be done first in the first place. Now the guy wants to go shopping for tables and chairs, but he doesn't even have a location for his new restaurant. He's doing number 2 while he should be doing number 1. He should be looking for a location for his restaurant. He should be signing a lease, not shopping for tables and chairs. So remember, if you put the cart before the horse, it doesn't work because horses don't push carts. Horses pull carts. So you have to put the cart behind. You have to do it in the right order. A wolf in sheep's clothing. Relax, I'm just another sheep. I'm not dangerous. A wolf in sheep's clothing. Our new manager seems really nice. No, he's not. I know him. He's a wolf in sheep's clothing. Be careful. Do not trust him. Can you guess the meaning? It is someone who pretends to be nice like a sheep, but who is actually dangerous or dishonest like a wolf. So, remember our picture. The wolf is hiding. He's wearing a costume. He's wearing a disguise. He wants to appear like all the other sheep, all nice and friendly. But in fact, inside, he is a wolf. He's very dangerous. A little bird told me, hey, I have something to tell you. I've heard you have a date tonight. What? Where did you hear that? A little bird told me. A little bird told me is actually a very playful expression. It's a playful way to say, I'm not going to tell you how I got the information. Someone told me that you have a date tonight, but I don't want to reveal my source. So I'm not going to tell you who told me. So a little bird told me. So remember this picture? Little birds hear many things, so they can tell many secrets to many people. When pigs fly. Oh, I thought this day would never come. Do you think you'll ever try skydiving? Yeah, when pigs fly. There's no way I'm jumping out of a plane. So the guy is saying there's no way I'm jumping out of a plane. If I do it, I'm gonna do it when pigs fly. It means it will never happen. So remember, you see the pigs, they're flying in the sky, and the pig says, I thought this day would never come, because even pigs think pigs will never fly. You're a chicken. Yo, don't call me a chicken ever again. You're a chicken. Let's take the same example one more time, but a little bit different. Do you think you'll ever try skydiving? There's no way I'm jumping out of a plane. And then the other guy says, you're such a chicken. You're such a chicken means you're scared of everything. So you can say you're such a chicken, you're a chicken, or you could even say chicken, chicken if you want to tease your friends. So now you know, don't call this guy a chicken because he doesn't look scared of anything. But if somebody is scared, call them a chicken. Like a bull in a china shop. What is this place? I don't belong here. Let me out or I'm going to break everything. Now maybe you wonder here, China is spelled with a C, a lowercase c, not a capital C, because China is not the country. China means porcelain. It means a pottery store like the one that you see in the picture. So that's why we use a small c instead of a capital C. Like a bull in a china shop. How was your fancy dinner party? Oh, not good. I spilled wine all over the table and I broke 2 glasses. I was like a bull in a china shop. I was like a bull in a china shop means I was clumsy. I was without finesse. I didn't belong there. I was at the wrong place. So remember, this bull doesn't belong in a china shop. If he's there, everything is gonna break. So now you know the meaning of the expression. The elephant in the room. Why is no one talking about the elephant? How was your company meeting? It was tense. No one mentioned the elephant in the room. You mean the fact that the CEO of the company is in jail? Exactly. Everybody knows, but no one wants to talk about it. The elephant in the room means a big and obvious issue that no one wants to discuss because it's uncomfortable. So keep this in mind here. Remember this picture. There's a meeting and there's an elephant sitting at the table, but no one is looking at the elephant. Everybody's looking down, pretending that the elephant is not there. But the elephant is a very, very big issue that they should be talking about. To kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Here's an example to help you understand. I should exercise, but I have no time. I work too much. You should bike to work. It's only 5 or 6 kilometers. That way, you can kill 2 birds with 1 stone. What do you think is the meaning of kill 2 birds with 1 stone? It means to achieve 2 goals with only 1 action. And the two goals are not to kill two birds, okay? So it's to achieve two different goals, two separate goals with only one move. In this case, biking to work is the action. And what are the two goals? The first one is getting to work, and the other one is exercising. So if he bikes to work, he's gonna kill two birds with one stone. So remember this picture here, you have only one rock, and you can throw the rock and try to hit two birds with only one rock. A guinea pig. Why 3 different kinds of food today? Are you testing me? A guinea pig. Can you help me test this recipe? Yeah, sure. I'm always hungry. What is it? It's a surprise, but I need a guinea pig to taste it first. A guinea pig is someone who is used for testing something. It's very sad, but usually we use these little guys. Guinea pigs are like hamsters, giant hamsters. And we use them, many companies use them to test medication or to test cosmetics on them. But in this case, a guinea pig can be used for testing anything. The goat. I am the goat. You don't stand a chance of winning. I'm a big soccer fan. Oh, really? Who's your favorite player? I like Ronaldo, but I think Lionel Messi is the GOAT. What is the meaning of that expression? It doesn't mean that Lionel Messi is a goat. Lionel Messi is not an animal. The GOAT means the greatest of all time. It means the best. So greatest of all time, G-O-A-T, the GOAT. So remember this picture here? Imagine someone playing soccer with a goat's head. So that person is the GOAT, the best player. Final quiz time. This one is not easy. Give it a try. Your friend is scared to go and talk to a pretty girl. What do you say to him? So today we have learned 12 different expressions related to animals. Choose one that would match this situation. To be a chicken, but you wouldn't say to be a chicken. You would say you're a chicken, or you could even say chicken, chicken. You've heard a rumor at the office, but you don't want to say who told you. What do you say? Now you can take a look at the expressions, or you can do it only from memory. If you can do it without looking at the expressions, you're excellent. Ready? And you would say, a little bird told me. Everyone is enjoying dinner, but no one mentions the recent family argument. So your family had a big fight, but now people are having dinner and no one wants to talk about this big issue. The elephant in the room, but you wouldn't say that. You would say, I think we should talk about the elephant in the room. A friend books a non-refundable hotel before buying a plane ticket. What do you say? You would say, don't put the cart before the horse. Of course, you should buy your plane ticket first and then book your hotel. What if you can't find a plane ticket? You're going to be stuck with your non-refundable hotel room and you're not going to get your money back. You are a nursing student and you need to practice your bandaging skills. What do you say? So you need someone to help you practice. You need someone to test your skills on. Ready? And the answer is a guinea pig. So you could say, I need a guinea pig to help me practice. Jeff has poor social skills, but he's in charge of customer service at your company. It's a total disaster. Jeff is what? So think about it. Jeff is not really good with people, but customer service is all about being good with people and solving customers' problems. So Jeff is like a bull in a china shop. Jeff doesn't belong there. If Jeff stays there, everything is gonna be broken. It's a total disaster. Linda eats lunch alone and doesn't participate in company events. What can you say about Linda? So think about it. Everybody at your company, everybody eats lunch together and everybody participates except Linda. So you would say the black sheep. So you'd say she's the black sheep or she's the black sheep of the company. So instead of the family, you can change family for company. I'm going to visit a friend in Dallas because I have a business trip there. Which expression can you use? So you're going on a business trip to Dallas and at the same time you're going to visit a friend. So you're going to kill two birds with one stone. So you could say, I'm going to kill two birds with one stone during my trip to Dallas and I'm going to visit a friend. Mark is a great project manager because he won't give up until all is finished. Mark is what? You ready? Mark is like a dog with a bone. He doesn't give up. Your friend's new girlfriend is charming, but you feel she's hiding something. Maybe she has a dark side. There's something hidden. So what would you say about the girlfriend? You would say, a wolf in sheep's clothing, but the best way to say it would be she might be a wolf in sheep's clothing because you're not certain about it. Rick, when is our teenage son going to start cleaning his room? What will Rick reply? Imagine that, a teenage son cleaning his room. That will never happen. So you would say, when pigs fly. As a basketball fan, you think Michael Jordan was the best player ever. What can you say about him? What can you say about Michael Jordan, the greatest player of all time? You would say, of course, to be the GOAT, but the best way to say it is Jordan is the GOAT. Good job, guys. Today you've learned many new expressions. Make sure you use them in your daily life. Make a conscious effort to use these expressions because if you don't use them, you're going to lose them. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.